Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job for you. Today we have 5 different work from home opportunities available for you. So the first job is for the company Ticket Rescue. They're looking for a live chat agent. Pays from $34,000 per year. Ticket Rescue is an exciting young startup company intent on shaking things up in the event ticketing industry. We provide a reliable and quick service where users can come to sell tickets to all live events. Think sports, concerts, and theater. We also sell events tickets in our online shop. At Ticket Rescue, we believe that every fan should have a chance to go to the event, and we try our best to ensure that no tickets go to waste. We're looking for a US-based sales and customer service agent who can work full-time remotely. You're someone who isn't satisfied with the status quo and will continually seek out new ways to delight our customer across multiple channels: Facebook Messenger, ManyChat, Twitter, email. Our sales and customer service team handles all incoming ticket offer inquiries from customers. This will require you to have an out-of-this-world level of friendliness, excellent communication skills, sharp attention to detail, and can-do attitude. You have a strong desire to see our business grows and will work closely and collaboratively with the rest of our tight-knit team. Our ideal teammate aligns with each of our core values. If you met the Ticket Rescue team at a tailgate, you'll find that we are family first, self-motivated, industry disruptors, and growth-driven and positive. What you'll be doing: handling inbound and outbound inquiries via Facebook Messenger, Twitter, and email. Pricing ticket inventory competitively against the resale market. Sending payments to customers via PayPal. Sharing, uploading, and reviewing documents. Professionally and personally respond to customer reviews and comments. Transferring tickets on our databases. Purchasing tickets. If you have superior communication and customer support skills, work well with numbers and understand market trends, consider yourself a people person, a leader, and a self-starter, are comfortable with new software and databases, have strong attention to detail, organization skills, and are extremely punctual, we would love to consider you for this role. What you need for the application is an updated resume, your availability for a 30-minute video call with our HR manager, your desired salary and an available start date, what computer laptop system are you working on, a link to Loom video introduction, 5-minute max, answering the following questions. Why are you the perfect fit for this position? Tell us about any skills or experience that might be helpful for this particular role. What motivates you to do a great job at work and other than a paycheck? And tell us what a time when you find it difficult to work with someone and how you handle the situation. And what are your 1 to 3 to 5 year goals? This job is full-time, pays $34,000 per year. It offers a flexible schedule, paid time off, paid training, and work from home. The schedule is day shift or evening shift, Monday to Friday, weekend availability. And if you would like to apply for this particular position, we'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we have a nice work from home job available for you. The next opportunity is from the company Veer Fast. Customer service representative. Pays from $10 to $13 an hour. We have been in business for over 40 years. Weekly pay. No out-of-pocket investment, no experience needed. We train you. Work from the comfort of your home, using your own computer. Dependable, energetic people with excellent communication skills and a passion for customer service needed. We offer a variety of opportunities, but currently we're contracting for inbound customer service and outbound customer service calls. Flexible day, evening, and weekend shift available. Agents need to have their own personal PC or laptop, USB headset with microphone, and hardwired internet access. Please note that we're not currently contracting in the following states: Alabama, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Nevada, New York, Oregon, Washington, and Wisconsin. This job is full-time and part-time. pays $10 to $13 per hour. It's a day shift, schedule evening shift as well, Monday to Friday, some weekend availability. If you feel like you're the perfect person for this particular role, we'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, that's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. So all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first people notified when we have the best work from home job available for you. The next job is from the company CCFI LLC. They're looking for a junior copywriter. Pays from $48,000 to $52,000 per year. Advance your career in financial services in our rapidly expanding company and join our team at Community Choice Financial. We will invest in you. You will receive a career opportunity and a great training, salary, and benefits including medical, dental, life, long-term, and short-term disability, along with 401k plan. We're a national, neighborhood-based financial service company that helps hardworking Americans meet a broad set of financial needs. We support over 500 locations nationwide and expansive online services. An SEO copywriter is a storyteller. As a junior SEO copywriter, you will captivate an audience with your words and be a leader with a knack of figuring out what resonates with others. You're motivated to challenge a status quo via your intuition in such a way that your writing inspires individuals to take action. The junior SEO copywriter is inclined to work hard to exceed expectations and create rich content-focused experience that drive funnel conversions. Some of your duties and responsibilities. Write original, error-free, and engaging content to support SEO strategies. Takes a hands-on approach with copywriting and editing for different audiences to support each brand's voice and tone to ensure all concepts are in line with brand direction. Make necessary content changes to the website, support new product launches and product conversions. Support content needs for website redesign and project launches for new websites. Receive feedback from the senior copywriter to sharpen writing skills. Collaborate with multiple teams on content and product details needed. Co-manage and publish blog content to social media profiles. Education experience, at least 2 to 3 years experience in SEO copywriting, obsessing attention to detail with outstanding proofreading. Passion for writing with a strong sense of voice and tone. Thrive in a fast-paced, deadline-driven environment, handling multiple projects at a time. Excellent interpersonal skills, significant experience working cross-functionality. A willingness to learn from other creative professionals. Knowledge of consumer lending preferred, but not required. Diverse portfolio and proof of data-driven content. This job is full-time, pays $48,000 to $52,000 per year. Some of the benefits include 401k matching, dental, health, life, and vision insurance, paid time off, flexible spending account, health savings account, plus many others. It's 8-hour shifts, and if you feel like you're the perfect person for this particular role, we'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, that's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we have a brand new work from home available for you. This next job is from the company Haley Pomeroy Group. They're looking for an email marketing specialist. It pays from $45,000 to $55,000 per year. In Haley Pomeroy Group Incorporated is searching for an email marketing specialist for platform growth and content distribution. We're a company in the business of changing lives, and we need a new team member to help us grow our community to facilitate the delivery of our offerings, events, and inspirations. The ideal candidate will have a background in email digital marketing of consumer products, to ideally include experience in nutrition, exercise science, subscription cultivation, and retention. This newly created position will primarily be based remotely. The HPG email marketing specialist will have the following qualities: a minimum of 4 years of email/digital marketing experience, core competencies including consumer marketing, email execution, preferably with Klaviyo platform experience including copywriting and audience segmenting, using data to drive e-commerce business. Excellent copywriting skills. The ability to adhere to well-defined style guide and established voice of a cherished brand. Working knowledge of Facebook, Shopify, Google, and digital media asset management tools. The ability to jump in and add immediate value to a strong, dedicated, and fast-moving team. Is detail-oriented with proficient organization, copy editing, and verbal communication skills. Is comfortable working within defined deadlines. Proactively seeks direction from others when necessary, has the courage to ask for help and guidance when needed. Is excited about the opportunity to learn and grow. Has a whatever it takes tactical spirit with the ability to execute your marketing supervisor's vision. Some of your job description will be using your knowledge of modern and traditional marketing best practices within the digital marketplace. Help to grow a HPG revenue, increase organic traffic, increase customer base, and our paid membership community platform. Work closely with the HPG team and employ email campaigns. Build and maintain relevant email marketing editorial calendars. Maintain the appropriate tone for our audience. Use research surveys and analytical tools to develop strategy to further grow the HPG community. Track and report the HPG team on all email analytics. Be proactive, not reactive to changes in the digital media landscape. Read all of Haley's books. Become an expert in HPG vision, mission, and product offerings. Multitask, prioritize, and manage time efficiently. Collaborate with HPG Digital Marketing Director and other team members on all tasks assigned. Follow communication procedures, guidelines, and HPG company policy. Reflect HPG company values in all communications. Some travel is required, quarterly in-person meetings. This job is full-time, pays $45,000 to $55,000 per year. Some of the benefits include 401k, paid time off, employee discount, and retirement plan. And require at least 2 years of email marketing experience. If you feel like you're the perfect person for this particular role, we'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we have the best work from home job available for you. And our final job for the list today will be from the company Cinder Law Group. They're looking for a recruiting coordinator. Pays from $50,000 to $65,000 per year. Cinder Law Group is a rapidly growing and elite personal injury law firm. Is looking for a recruitment coordinator to support our growing human resources and talent acquisition team. As a recruitment coordinator, you will play an integral role in the firm's long-term growth by supporting our HR and recruiting departments. Please note that this position will work or train remotely, but candidates located in or near Austin, Texas is preferred. At Cinder Law Group, we do things differently. We're innovative, using cutting-edge technology, and have a startup mentality. Their core principles are excellence always, only the best, failure is not an option, we all take out the trash, run the firm like a business. What you'll do: review resumes, schedule candidate interviews, and identify ways to improve scheduling efficiently. Interview candidates to determine qualifications and culture fit for the firm. Source passive candidates across multiple platforms including LinkedIn. Draft and post job descriptions. Create and update job packets created in advance of opening a new position. Assist with maintaining our social media platforms as they pertain to recruiting. Follow up with candidates. Assist with pipeline progression. Help ensure an excellent candidate experience from start to finish and identify ways to improve candidate experience. Send interview materials to hiring managers. Assist with daily, weekly, and monthly reporting, including time to hire, retention rates, and budgets. Coordinate candidate travel. Check references. Other administrative recruiting and HR tasks assigned. What you'll bring: bachelor degree required, 1+ years of full cycle recruiting. Candidates with both agency and in-house experience preferred. Experience sourcing candidates on LinkedIn. Experience leveraging social media a plus. Bamboo HR and or HRIS experience a plus. Advanced knowledge of Excel is a plus. Capable of working in a fast-paced environment. Trustworthy, exercising confidentiality in all situations. Organized with high attention to detail. Dedication and willingness to assist with a variety of tasks. Excellent written and verbal skills, excellent customer service skills, strong multitasking skills. $50,000 to $65,000 depending on experience, paid time off, paid holidays, IRA plan with a company contribution match, medical, vision, and dental insurance, paid parental leave, opportunities of ongoing training and mentoring by our outstanding team, and opportunities to advance and grow with the firm. This job is full-time, pays $50,000 to $65,000 a year. It includes some benefits such as dental, health, and vision insurance, parental leave, and paid time off. And it is Monday through Friday and fully remote. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position or any other positions that we mentioned here today, we'll have all the links right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first people notified when we have the best remote work from home job opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.